Okay, so pressure ga kuring kiyawadi fennani solid pressure and liquid pressure. එහෙම just formula එකන device කොල්ලානි kuring mi topic wara thoroughly kiyadi fennima. So solid pressure gennani pressure is equal to force over area. mi gengen jeni mi deeti mi inversely proportional mane ki area bodu awaraka pressure kuda wane. Example this pen. mi pen ge tip ka min area warak kuda. So kudawa waraka mane ki area kudawa waraka pressure high wane. mi tang mi kanu mi ge misalaka miti press kollima ewa thada mi thunu tankolon haralima wata duma boduwani because thunu wima area kudawani so pressure high wani em abadu singen sen midetige relationship is inversely proportional means area boduwa waraka pressure kudawani en hame gotan area kudawa waraka pressure boduwani and always huriha pressure ekave sama unit of wani pascals pa hame gotan liquid pressure gaves unit ki pascals. Then liquid pressure ke formula is pressure is equal to rho gh. Rho me pune mi density, g value which is always 10 on earth, then me height no need depth. Liquid pressure difa misal ka tank e difa e tank tere na object no ni egge sababu no ni ala for water ke sababu egge pressure hoda she pune fe me use this formula. Same unit can be used which is pascal. About this pressure, liquid pressure, atmospheric pressure, solid pressure, huri hachikes pressure vejama ama innani pascals. Then kiyawa me ulani a topic which is called Boyle's law. This is very important and Boyle's law hama ingota jehen by heart korange. Boyle's law ga bunani pressure is inversely proportional to the volume when all the other conditions such as temperature, remains constant. ebunani temperature ya hen huriha factors take constant ko bawa iruga pressure ya volume ma always inversely proportional or inversely proportional mane ki ekati increase awaraka anekati decrease ani misalaka a pressure is equal to 1 over v mege ebunani volume kudawa awaraka when volume decreases pressure increases and again when volume increases pressure decreases and vice versa. So ebunani temperature en huriha it's a constant ko hunna iru pressure ya volume ma deeti is always inversely proportional and this makes sense. Misalaka this is a room, of course volume ma mi wani mi volume ga mane ki space occupied by an object so mitanu ga volume kuda. So this is volume kuda room mein volume is low mitaga volume bodu. So aslu miga mi bunani volume boduwa waraka pressure kuda wani yeah me har misal ke ati prove kodde me two rooms ka mabala this is room 1 and room 2. Room 2 ge volume fude waraka kuda room 2 ge volume fude waraka bodu. So a space bodu da de ham everegge tim mi hu mi uleni mi room ga hama same tim mi hu mi room ga එකක අනකකු ජෙහුමා ඒ collision na frequency boda ginawani kochegga meetiga room 1 ga because room 1 ga mi volume kuda vima ekaku anakaku ekaku gaga jehi anakaku gaga jehumuge chance boduwan rather than this mi room 2 vima emmege space bore ma volume bodu vima pressure decrease wani mitaga volume kuda vima pressure increase wani okay so also mi vaayche ei mi boys loga bunaachi boys loga bunaachi ki temperature constant ko hema detaage temperature change nuko temperature fix ko banda kama banya badus pressure ya volume ma inverse proportional o mane ki ekati increase wawaraka anekati decrease waniyo den aamagotega boys law ga me beenu kura formula ki mi p1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, and we formula use kuragoy kiya dena irukoletterege hama meeti understand wam mega mi bunagoy එහෙම අසු මේ වායිච් එකේ යාරමනේ ඉංගේ මේ solid එක pressure abadus minnani force over area ka so asu වාගොතකි volume කුඩවීම එකක් අනෙකකු ජෙහේ වරු අවස්වානේ අවශ්‍ය for bodu wane and me hum mitaga mi walls ga jehu nima a force a jehe force per area abadus force per area gives coach pressure එහෙම මමිල විස්නාල බමිසාලක මි කුඩ වොලියුම් එක ගොත නොනි බොඩ් වොලියුම් බොඩු වීම තෝ බොඩ force ka බොඩ ජෙහෙනි මීගද එහෙම මණිගි the people hits with a greater force so greater force over area gives greater pressure එහෙම මිතා pressure බොඩු වනි volume කුඩ වීම mi walls aku je forces kudawani force kudawanya force per area gives low pressure ei mitaga pressure kudawa reason me itaga pressure bodwa reason this is the main concept asluga me miyuga baduga hunnani molecules fasen understand wa gotan adamege me ane people lage me kiya deni so me gamuko question gannani misalaka me two spaces difa misalaka me space 1 and this is space 2 f varaka molecules mein hunnaenge 1 2 3 4 5 6 hama 1 2 3 4 5 6 sual gahani misaka space 1 ga kihnen he wani pressure ya space 2 ga pressure am furtama lilan space 1 ga volume kihna mi wani volume kudenu volume kudawanya abadus pressure boduwan de mitage sama lilan kuda carry ga hame gota volume boduwani so pressure will be less then sual gannan key we he ehen kiya der bonani volume kudawa waraka me the molecules the frequency of molecules increases ekatenike jehe collision ekatenike jehe frequency increase and increase vima they hit the walls with a greater force and this force per area gives pressure space 2 ga the frequency of collision decreases ekka konnaku jehumuge chance kuda because volume bodu vima emuge space bodu so the chances for it hitting the walls decreases less force means less force over area means low pressure abadu sanna ko me deeti me directly proportional meetiga it hits with a greater force this force per area gives pressure meetiga less force and this force per area gives pressure bodan explain kodenya ehen kiya dehenoni simply you can say that h ge volume kuda vanya pressure bode wani volume bodu vanya pressure kuda wani yeah